Are you working hard on YouTube? Spending hours creating videos, but still not getting views? Do people scroll past your videos without clicking? The problem may not be your content. It may be your thumbnail. Because on YouTube, people first see, then click. And today, I'll show you a simple AI trick that can completely change your channel growth. Many creators think, my videos are good, so views should come automatically. But that's not how YouTube works. No click means no views. Your thumbnail and title decide whether people click your video or ignore it. That click percentage is called CTR, click-through rate. If your thumbnail looks boring, crowded, or unclear, viewers skip your video instantly. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to create powerful thumbnails using ChatGPT and competitor inspiration. First step, go to YouTube and search videos related to your topic. For example, if your video is about AI tools, search Best AI Tools 2026. Now, look carefully at videos getting thousands or millions of views. Notice something? Big, bold text, bright colors, clear emotions, simple design. Successful creators already know what attracts viewers, so don't copy, take inspiration. Now, open ChatGPT. Upload or describe the competitor thumbnail. Then give a prompt like this. Create a modern, high CTR YouTube thumbnail for a video about AI tools. Use bold text, top AI tools, glowing effects, futuristic background, expressive face, premium style. ChatGPT will generate an improved thumbnail idea for you. Keep the title short, only 2 or 3 powerful words. For example, AI secrets, viral hack, free tools, earn fast. Short text works better because viewers understand it instantly. Step 3. Improve and upload. If the thumbnail doesn't look perfect, ask ChatGPT again. Make it more clickable, add stronger emotions, make colors brighter, increase curiosity. Once you find the best thumbnail, upload it to your video. Ending. And watch what happens. Better thumbnail equals higher CTR. Higher CTR equals more views. More views equals more subscribers. Your content may already be amazing. You just needed people to click. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe CareU AI Studio. So start improving your thumbnails today and let YouTube algorithm work for you.